up? Welcome to this video. This is the second time I've done a vitamin C video. If you guys weren't aware, there's this video as well, which is me with bleach blonde hair dyeing it black, and I took the color out. So if you want to see that, that's that one. But this is specifically for taking out vibrant purpley blue colors out of bleach blonde hair. Every time I color my hair, I will do a video. So this is the kind of content you like, consider subscribing. And if you like the video, don't forget to thumbs it up because that helps me massively. Anyway, this video, I dyed my hair about a week ago, vibrant purple. I also filmed that, link in the description, link in the video. I loved it, absolutely loved it. But I did dye my hair knowing I was going to test this method again because I wanted to see what it was like for bleach blondes. How do you get hair color out? I did it because I work a very corporate job where I can't really have that color hair, but I would like to mess around with more colors, and if I know I can use this method on my hair to get the color out, then I was going to do it. Being in lockdown means that I can actually do this and I don't have a timeline to get it out of my hair, so it was a safe time to test it. Anyway, I did this method this time. It was like 5 or 6 times. I filmed every time. I've even filmed me washing my hair, shampooing it out, and the color in the bath and everything. I tried to answer so many questions that I knew I got from the other video in this video. Basically, it's really straightforward. You need vitamin C tablets and you need a cleansing shampoo. Now, I changed the tablets that I got and the shampoo from this video compared to the last video. So make sure you check out both so you get the most information from both times. I was really impressed with the last video, and I was still impressed with this video towards the end. Now I'm seeing it now. I wasn't as convinced it was working as well, but it has worked really well. So you guys will see the results. I think just because I was doing it all the time, I just felt like it was taking forever. But if this is 6 goes and that was the color it was, it worked. If you've got questions, leave it down below. But the key things I know to answer: vitamin C tablets, 500 milligrams or 1000 milligram vitamin C. If you get the 500, just use more of them. Use a mortar and pestle to mash it up if you don't have one. I put mine into a cup with a tiny bit of hot water, boiling hot water, and I let that sit overnight and then it dissolved. That's how I did mine because I didn't have a mortar and pestle or anything to mash up the powder or the tablets. The shampoo you want to use, and the ones that I hear the most, is the Head & Shoulders cleansing shampoo, but I can never find that, and there was no Head & Shoulders at the supermarket when I chose to do this time around, so I went with a different one that was a cleansing shampoo. So the products I used: 500 milligram vitamin C tablets and the shampoo here. Different to the previous video. Basically, you mix it together and you chuck it on your head. Shampoo your hair first. I did try this with dry hair and it didn't work this time. Anyway, I'm gonna get into the video. I hope you enjoy. Questions down below. Let's go. So I did 25 of the 500 milligram tablets, and as I said, I actually diluted mine in water to be able to dissolve it, but you should just mash yours up as a powder and then add the shampoo as well, and then you just mix it together. So attempt 1, all you have to do is shampoo your hair with the cleansing shampoo and then rinse it out. I then just massage the vitamin C product throughout my hair. Because it is obviously shampoo and I've just shampooed my hair, it did lather up. If you were to do this with no shampooing first and try it on dry hair, obviously there would be no lather and the product wouldn't go as far. But this is how I did it: shampoo first and then massage the vitamin C product into my hair. And I did use all of the product. Sometimes you feel like it's quite saturated, you've got heaps of product on your head, but I really wanted to get as much vitamin C on there as possible, so I just kept on putting it on. Round 1, I left this on my head for 2 hours. Rinsing it out, you can see that a lot of color came out for the first time trialing this. So I was really impressed, really happy to see a lot of that color coming out. I really wasn't sure if this would work again. It was very successful in my last video, so I was very pleasantly surprised to see that a lot of color came out. Now I did back-to-back applications between application 1 and 2. So I shampooed the first lot out, and then I applied more vitamin C. Round 2 was another 2 hours. However, this time I also applied a shower cap and did a bit of blow drying to heat it up. And as you can see, by rinsing it, more product came out. Obviously not as much as before because I'd already stripped a lot out, but it's still working even doing a back-to-back process. So if that's what you were wondering, yes, you can do it back-to-back, and yes, it still pulls product out. Now for those wondering about if it dries your hair out, yes it does a little bit, but it does not damage my hair. I cannot speak for your hair. I do, after every application, wash it with a cleansing shampoo, and then I go in with my Salon shampoo. Now I use the K-Pack from Joico, and then alternately, after each application, I left in a deep hydrator or a mask or something deep conditioning, and I mixed up the different products that I had to ensure that my hair was being nourished while doing this process. Now if you are in a rush and you do back to back to back applications over a day, because you could do that, your hair will be more dry and you wouldn't be able to do the conditioning treatments, because then the applications would be less effective. So I did these applications over 3 days so that I could actually condition my hair in between each application. Hey guys, what's up? So this is after the 3rd application. It's obviously dramatically lighter and less colour than when I first dyed it. So I'm going to apply it to my hair dry and just see if that does anything. I kind of just want to try everything in this video. And then, yeah, it's definitely stronger here, lighter here, then there's a bit more that's grabbing here. So, but I can't be bothered trying to figure it out and apply it in some areas. So I'm just going to apply it to my whole hair, massage it in and leave it in for a few hours, and we'll just see if that does anything too. So as you can see here, the bath water is the orangey brown tinge from the vitamin C. This didn't look like it pulled any color out of my hair, so if you're wondering if this worked on dry hair for me, no it did not one little bit. Okay guys, so this will be application 5. I think, I can't remember how many I did in my other video, but it was quite a few. The last one that I didn't work, as you guys know. So I've actually got the vitamin C. I'm doing it differently again. I'm just wanting to test all the different ways that I could potentially do this, so that if you guys ask me questions, because I get asked a ridiculous amount of questions on my other video. Basically what I've done is I've got 30 tablets in this one. The other times I've been doing 20 and 25. This is 30 tablets and minimal water. But I'm going to do this. I am going to wash my hair with the shampoo again, and then I'm going to leave it on for a few hours. So this will be the strongest amount, the longest time on my head, and it's wet hair, and I could tell that the dry hair didn't work this time around. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm not going to show you the washing and doing all that, but I will check back in with you tomorrow morning on this. Now I really wanted to just fade this area because it's a way lighter down here. It kind of doesn't look like it on camera, but I'm at this point just over the whole lot and want it all out. So I'm just going to do my whole head, leave it in, and I would think of all of the methods, not all the methods, but of all the variations of this method, that this one should work quite well if it's going to work. I just think that the initial color that was sitting on my hair is out, and at this point I'm dealing with staining. So the more I can help this to speed up the process, the better. So I'll go do it and I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow. Okay, it's on my head, but I do need to check in and explain something. Basically, I totally forgot to mix the shampoo in with the vitamin C for literally half of it. And I was thinking while putting it on my head, oh, you know, doing the extra tablets makes it a lot more like what I did in the first video that I did on this, where it wasn't lathering, it was just really thick, syrupy, just, I can't even explain it to you. But actually, yeah, just forgot to put the shampoo in. So halfway through I put the shampoo in, but I did actually focus initially on the tops of my head with that 100% vitamin C liquid. So I'm just letting you know it is different to what I said just then. I put a lot of just vitamin C on my head before then realizing I need to put shampoo in with the vitamin C, and then I've pushed that through for the rest of it. And thank God I remembered, because that was not going far enough with my hair. I was thinking, oh shit, I've done the same amount. Why isn't this going through my hair? Like, I've still got shit tons of hair left and it's not going to cover it, but it has. So that's what my hair looks like. And I'll leave this in for 3 hours this time. So it's really concentrated on the dye this time. So if this doesn't work, this will be the last time. It's just not going to work anymore. And I wanted to also note, in case I forget, when I shampoo my hair, it used to be that you'd see color fall out. I don't see any color come out now, so it is just stained hair at this point. So I'm just trying to speed up that process if I can. And if it does work, I will just focus on the really stained parts to even it out. But yes, anyway, see you tomorrow. And that is everything. So guys, this method does really work. I do find that blues cling a lot more than any other color in blonde hair, but I still absolutely love this lavender. I love that it's darker here. I've got my browns coming through for the blonde. It just looks really, really pretty. I do like this. I'm lucky that it didn't end up patchy. So I'm stoked. I'm definitely gonna try other colors. Again, if that's the kind of content you like, consider subscribing. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.